What's up, everybody? It's Samir. Welcome to the video. Make sure to check out that BlockFi link if you want to get up to $250 in free Bitcoin. And also check out that KuCoin link to buy your next crypto gem. And let's get to the video. So today in this video, I will be talking about James Inu and why I decided to invest in this crucial point on the chart. So as you can see from the green dot, that is my first initial investment in this project, and I decided to put in $747, and currently right now it is down to 697. So let's just go dive into the decisions on why I decided to jump in on the project. But first, I am not a chart analysis expert or nothing like that, and these are just my strategy ways on how I look at charts and the patterns. So make sure to do your research before you invest. And let's get to it. So this is the whole entire chart of James Inu, and just by looking at the chart, we can see a similar pattern forming right when the first pump happened. This exact pump and dip looks exactly the same as this current one that we are in right now. And let's just look at the first one. So the pattern that I look is the little trends upward and downward. So right here on that downward trend, we can see the big red candles that are dipping. All of the newer ones are lower than the previous ones. And as we scroll down right here to this setting factor one, this candle right here sets the all-time low for this section. And with this red candle not passing the previous candle, that there started that upward trend and set the new low for this point in the chart. And then it started going back in a upward trend and it steadied back down. And as you notice, that the trend downwards did not pass this previous red candle, and that also caused a nice little upward trend back up to a new all-time high. So as we can see with this current trend that's happening right now, and with the pattern, it is the same pattern that we saw in the first previous pump and dip of this little all-time high that happened. So now we can see the new red candles are lower than the previous red candles, and as we look at this little pattern, we see the same thing forming. New red candles are lower than the previous candles, and then right in this section, this new red candle did not go lower than the previous red candle. So that there was my indicator of jumping in and investing in this critical position. So now it's looking like we are in a upward trend, and hopefully the patterns change all the time. So we could potentially see that little nice upward trend that happened previously right here in this area, or we can see a little downward trend as well to steady out the price between these two sections right here, between let's say 59 and 73. It could steady out in the next couple of days in these little price points right here, or it could either start in a nice upward trend and hopefully sets a new all-time high. So that there was my quick little analysis on how I look at the chart and patterns. These are not any expert advice or tips or nothing like that. These are just my opinions on how I look at it. If you like it, Smash that like button, that subscribe button, leave feedback in the comment section below. Let me know, what do you think about Chims Inu. uh, right now, I am invested and I am holding for the long run. This project has a lot of potential. It has a lot of marketers behind it on Twitter. Everybody knows Crypto Messiah. He's probably the biggest meme coin influencer on Twitter right now. So, and he's supporting Chims Inu. So that there, the meme king is supporting Chims Inu, and that there could bring in a lot new investors and hopefully set new all-time highs and charts. So there you have it. Currently, right now, the market cap is just under 30 million, and liquidity pool holdings is just under 2 million as well. So there you have it. This is my buying position right here, as you can see from the green candle. So depending on what happens in the near future, in the next couple of days, if the chart steadies out between these two price points, I will average down and invest a little bit more just by the steadying out portion. If it does spike back up, then I will just hold, and hopefully it sets a new all-time high. But if it starts in a downward trend as well, which it could happen, anything can happen in crypto. So if it starts in a downward trend and sets a new lower, then I would invest more, to average down my position. So once that other new all-time high starts kicking in and more people starts jumping in on this project, the more rewards we will get. So there you have it, my little quick analysis on why I decided to buy in this dip and in this crucial point on the chart. Smash that like button, that subscribe button. Leave feedback in the comment section below. Check out the KuCoin link and BlockFi link for some free Bitcoin. Stay tuned for more, and peace out, everybody.